superstars. I am coming to you today, sitting here thinking about COVID-19. Nothing new. I know it's on everyone's minds. You're probably tired of hearing, thinking, and talking about it. But I want to flip that question for you today. I want to ask you this. When was the last time you thought about your immune system? I know that chronic inflammation is rampant amongst everyone today, whether I'm dealing with children, men, women, the elderly. We're seeing more diseases of inflammation than in any other time. So it's no surprise really that a novel virus can come in and invade and take over our immune systems, which quite honestly, for the majority of us, were already quite compromised. Here is something that I've been learning over the last few days as I've studied this virus and really tried to get my hands on everything out there, because I want this to end, as I'm sure all of you do too. COVID-19 is a virus that is attacking our immune system, but primarily through a T-cell mediated activity. We have two types of immunity, B and T cells. It seems like the T cells are the ones that are in particular involved, and it sort of makes sense because our children have a good level of T cells and they're not showing signs or symptoms, whereas our elderly, our patients with chronic inflammation or immunocompromised, they typically have less. And so it's harder for them to mount that secondary immune response when they're exposed to the virus. So here's what I want you to take out of all that mumbo jumbo science talk is essentially it is important to understand where your immune system is and what you're doing with it. You do need optimal levels of vitamin D and vitamin C. You do need to have a good, healthy, functioning gut. We do need to manage stress and sleep consistently, and we do need to decrease the amount of sugar and inflammatory foods in our diet. Those are all the tenets of a good, healthy, functioning immune system. When those things fall awry and we're eating foods we're not supposed to eat, or we are super stressed for a really long period of time, or I might be guilty, as you might be, of jumping planes and overcommitting a little bit, then we do wear down the immune system, and we also wear down our gut health or our digestive health. And almost 70% of our immune system lives in the gut. So while we're all quarantined, while we're all at home, it's an opportunity to take advantage and to think about your own immune system. Where's your gut? Where are your nutrients? Are your levels optimized? Are you where you need to be? And if you don't know, let's get those checked. And in the interim, go ahead. Start vitamin D, start something like a medicinal herb like astragalus, triphala, echinacea, or the geranium oil derivatives that have been shown to improve T-cell activity. Get out there and exercise. That's where I'm headed next. Move around, get that sunshine. All of these things and the lack thereof is really hurting us. And today it's hurting us with coronavirus. Tomorrow it may be something else. So think about your immune system. Where is it? How's it doing? And in that, we will win against this virus. Stay superpowered. I'll talk to you guys soon.